I'm excited today to really honor someone who's been very influential as a woman in my life and for the company. Interesting enough, 45 years ago today, or not today, but in March, we celebrated our inception. And all of that would not have happened without this lovely woman right here, Audrey DeVault. Audrey was a mentor and a partner with my dad when she first started the company 45 years ago. When I got in the business, she took me under her wing and taught me the ins and outs of the business, and I wouldn't be here where I am today without her. So I want to honor her for all that she's done for me, for my dad, and for the company.
On Women's Equality Day, I want to give a shout out to one of the most amazing and inspiring women I know, Sue Kaiser. I was lucky enough to be recruited by her to Jaqua Realtors 15 years ago. She was my mentor and taught me how to be successful and a leader in this industry. She has more energy than anyone else I know, and if you're lucky enough to know her, you know what I'm talking about. Cheers to Sue Kaiser.
Women's Equality Day. The most inspirational woman in my life is hands down my mommy, Laura Lalonde. Mom, thank you for instilling the importance of kindness and empathy in me from the time I was a little girl. Being nice to other people regardless of your circumstances, and always trying to look at things from other people's perspective before judging or reacting. Thank you, Mama. Yay moms, yay women. We are all equal.
I'm inspired by my sister-in-law, Dr. Patricia Arizaka. She is fiercely true to her personality. She is generous to a fault, intelligent, a healthcare warrior, exemplary humanitarian, a loving wife, sister-in-law, daughter, mother, family person, and intelligent, true inspiration as a woman of color. I absolutely am so blessed to have her in my life.
In honor of National Women's Equality Day, we've been asked to talk about a woman who inspires us. That woman is none other than the winningest coach in the history of Kalamazoo College, my wife, Jean Hess. She's a true child of the universe. This picture best describes her, and my favorite song regarding Jean in describing her best is Talking Heads, and She Was. She floats above it all. She inspires all those who come into her orbit with her heart, her spirit, and most importantly, her soul. Over the last 39 years, she has made me a better man.
Hi, I just wanted to share a video on the women in my life and why they're so awesome, my actual hero as well. So I'll start with the good stuff. The hero is my mom. She is amazing. She's gone through 2 different times of cancers in her life, and she still is loving and compassionate, and she just serves and goes and does everything that she can for everyone around her. The other women in my life, besides my super awesome friends, is my daughters. They are fantastic. They are examples to all those around them, and they are kind and loving. They are super. I appreciate them so much. I appreciate all the women out there and their joys and their struggles.
Happy Women's Equality Day! The most inspiring woman in my life is my mom because she works harder than anybody I know and doesn't expect anything in return. Thanks for everything, Mom.
The most influential woman in my life is definitely my mom. She's a strong, independent, hardworking woman, but also the most caring and loving individual that you'll ever meet. And she always challenges me to be the same. I'm definitely grateful to have her as such an important and influential person in my life.
Hi everyone. There's been a lot of women that have been a great influence in my life, but I really think one of them sets themselves apart from others, and that's Judy Vanderveen. Judy Vanderveen took me under her wing when I was 23 years old and taught me the trades of real estate, and I respect her 100%.
I really admire our Jaqua sales manager, Suzette Doe. She empowers and inspires me to be a great leader because she creates an environment that's safe, smart, healthy, and fun. She's there to help work through things in a supportive way, never judging, always available. Day in and day out, she answers our phone and treats our problems like gems, never judging. Thank you, Suzette, for helping me be the very best I can be.
Woman in my life that inspires me the most is without a doubt my mom. She is the most driven, hardworking, loving person I will ever know. I'm a little biased because she's my mom, but I see her work ethic and the way that she puts everybody else around her first, and it truly inspires me to be a better mom, to be a better wife, to be a better version of myself every single day. Thank you, Mom, for all you do, for continuously encouraging every single person you come in contact with. You are a light in this world, and I'm just so lucky to have you. I love you.
The most inspiring woman in my life is definitely my mom. She's hardworking, she's resilient, she's extremely caring, and she never lets me or anyone in her life settle for being anything less than their best version of themselves. She pushes me every day to be better and to do better, and so I'm thankful to have a mom like her.
The woman that inspires me most in my life is my mom. She worked a full-time job for 40 years while raising 3 kids. She's handled everything life has thrown at her with just grace and dignity, and I hope I can be half the woman she is someday. I love you, Mom.